Here it's all black.
Right.
You're going out here pulling positive
To another switch or right. That's where they're getting their power from. So that's the power side. This is the light switch side, and then that's the neutral for the receptacle.
When you wire it up, and you go turn the breaker on, the breaker should back out.
Or if you turn the switch on, then it goes pop, and then you got
pops the breaker. This outlet doesn't seem to work.
Doesn't work at all. If it don't work, there might be an issue with that being a ground or a neutral.
I don't know what kind of thing you got to tell them.
It's a half-hop switch.
It's
got a receptacle at the top and a switch at the top and a receptacle at the bottom. It's one of the split devices. Which they always get tricky.
Everything's black wire. And funny thing, the outlet all over the wire, like a little bit of white circle.
I was just close that one.
Oh, it's working now. You know, they're like, working. So no why I didn't work.
It works.
And that type of outlet is a switch to close the outlet.
It depends on which way. It depends on which way you're hot up.
I don't have it.
It sounds to me like you've lost your neutral to it, is what it sounds like. Now it could be inside the device, you know, where the prongs plug into it, maybe it's heated up. Especially if you're using a hair dryer or a curling iron, you're not raised for that kind of empty. You know, but a hair dryer draws almost 50. So after it's hot, you unplug it, bend it, and opens it up a little bit more so that you can come loose.
Run out of battery power.
Plugged in, it's really loose.
9-inch loop.
Really easy change to that point. That's the fire.
Yeah, just time for 9-inch loop, right?
Because it's loose, it gets hot, the wire gets hot, then it starts to melt.
I can't even overlook it.
Then it's like real hot. Put this wire
In the same place. I'd hook everything up just like that again, put it in there, and then see if that outlet works correctly. If it don't, then you need to pull all the switches out and look for a white wire in the box. There has to be a white in there somewhere. Yes.
That's full throttle.
Yeah.
Time to land.